In an earlier video, we spoke about wallet addresses, and in effect, wallets are keys to access your funds. A wallet is a piece of software that interacts with the blockchain, stores your private key, monitors your cryptocurrency balances, and allows you to send and receive cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrencies out there, and there are also many wallets. It's important when you're selecting a wallet, you ensure you select one that's compatible with the cryptocurrency that you want to use. If you try and send cryptocurrencies to a wallet which are not compatible with that token or coin, the transaction could fail or the tokens could get lost forever. Wallets can be described as hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets create and store private keys online, and examples of these would include desktop or mobile apps. Exchanges are also considered hot wallets as they're online, and they're considered one of the least secure ways of storing cryptocurrency. Exchanges are a target for hackers because they hold a lot of cryptocurrency and different types of it. So hacking an exchange is often seen more profitable than trying to hack a cold wallet. There's also the problem on exchanges that the crypto you see in your wallet is often the same crypto someone else sees. An exchange is centralized finance, and if there were to be a run on an exchange, they might not have the liquidity for everybody to withdraw. When we're talking about wallets and exchanges, the term custodial and non-custodial will often come up. An exchange does not give you a private key, and a well-known saying in crypto is not your keys, not your wallet. You need to have custody of the private keys to truly own the token that wallet grants access to. An exchange is a custodial wallet as they have custody of the keys. A wallet in which you have control of the keys is a non-custodial wallet, as no one else can send funds or transact from this wallet as they don't have the keys. In saying all of that, most of you will use an exchange to buy cryptocurrencies as they are one of the most popular on-ramps. A cold wallet creates and stores private keys offline. They're also known as hardware wallets, and they're the safest way to store your crypto and digital assets. When using a hardware wallet, there are more steps involved, so it's often not so practical to keep everything on a hardware wallet. So you need to make sure you select both a hot wallet for convenience and a cold wallet for security and safety. More recently, self-managed hot wallets can connect to a hardware wallet, allowing for greater security on the cold wallet. And this is definitely something you should consider spending the time setting up. The setup is going to depend on both the hot and the cold wallets that you're using. Choosing a wallet is a combination of personal preference and its intended use. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a hot wallet so we can use it in the demonstrations moving forward.